Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Friday morning. Uh, it's the 17th day of July, 2026, and this is what we are looking at yesterday. We were looking for potential buys above this level, never got the confirmation, never got a candle closing above this level. Neither did we get a candle closing above this high risk buys above here. So we had no buys yesterday. For the sales, we were looking for potential sales below this level. For the guys with high risk appetite, this was your entry here. The high risk sales below. Once you had this break here, once the market broke below here, this candle here, you could have set your sell limit here. Stop loss just above this week here, above this week here. Stop loss would have been here. Then take the market down. For the safe sells, we had our level here. We were waiting for price to break below this level here with some good bearish momentum, which it did. We had this break here, this kind of closing below our level here with some good bearish momentum. You can see the size of the candle. This indicates good bearish momentum, long body, and very small wicks. Okay, so that was my signal for our sell. Once I saw this, I set my sell limit here. Stop loss. This would have been a very big area if I had set the stop loss all the way from here up to this level here. This would have been a very big area. That's 310, 300 and about 300 or about 340 pips if you are to set your stop loss here. So what I decided to do, my stop loss was just above this week here, just above the week, above this candle here that broke below. My stop loss was just above the week there. You can see there, that's 185 pips, 195 pips, and the target was 523 pips, but you didn't get the 523 pips. What we got was 400, 180. The risk to reward ratio was good. Okay, so let's say that was a risk to reward ratio of 1.2 something, uh, 1 is to 2 point something. Okay, around there. Risk to reward ratio, good. And that is how we took the trade yesterday. That was our win yesterday. This is where we got out. Yeah, at TP2, we hit TP1, then TP2, and got out here. So for today, that was a win. That was a win yesterday, a good win. And that was our fourth win of the month, month of July. In the month of July, we have only executed 6 trades on gold. The last trade we executed was the CPI, which was a win. That was our third win out of 4 trades, out of 5 trades. That was our third win out of 5 trades. Then yesterday, yesterday was our fourth win out of 6 trades. We have closed one at break even, and then we had our one that hit our stop loss. Okay, so in total, we have executed how many trades? 6 trades. 6 trades since the beginning of July. Won 4 trades. Won 4 trades. Closed one at break even, and then closed one at stop loss. One that we hit our stop loss. So that's a good number. That's a good number. We're still winning. We're still profitable. Okay. So today let's do a quick review of what we have on the fundamentals. And on the fundamentals, we are looking at today's Friday. Today's Friday 17th. Today's Friday 17th. Nothing high impact on the USD. We have nothing high impact on the USD. We only have some medium impact data. And this was at 4 a.m. President Trump was addressing the nation at 4 a.m. and at 5 p.m. We have the prelim consumer sentiments and the inflation expectations at 5 p.m. That is medium impact. Uh, it won't offer that much volatility in the market. What to watch out for is any breaking news regarding the war on US and Iran. Anything that Trump says or the other party, Iran says, could cause jitters in the market, and you could see some price volatility in the market. Okay, and so watch out for that. So this is what Trump had to say. He said, let me see, yeah, US is winning big in Iran. Then the Iran Revolutionary Guard had this to say. Not a single drop of oil or gas will be exported from the region as long as American aggressions continue. So this signals that the war is still on. The war is still on. No de-escalation in sight. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. Keep an eye out on that. Any breaking news could cause volatility in the market. So watch out for that. So real quick today, let's remove everything here. We remove all the drawings and do our top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. And this is our monthly resistance up here. We have our monthly support down here. And on the weekly, the monthly support is still the weekly support, but we have our weekly resistance up here. This is the most immediate resistance that price could, if price decided to start pushing up, this is the most immediate resistance that it would face on the weekly. Jump down to the daily. On the daily, we have this level here as our support still, and this is our daily resistance. If price were to move up, this is the most immediate resistance it would be facing. On 4 hours, we are looking at this break of structure here. We didn't have a break below here, so let me mark it for you. There's this break of structure here. That break of structure there. Then the market gave us a shift. Once it got that shift there, it's a break of structure and then a shift. So this is our high and this is our low. So allow me to move this level here. That's our 4-hour high, and this is our 4-hour low. That's our 4-hour low there. Or alternatively, we could do this. We could do this. This is our 4-hour high. That's our 4-hour high, and that's our 4-hour low. Okay, and usually what we do in 4 hours, we bring this to the body there, and identify this level as a target. This level here identifies as a target. Identify as a target. Then bring this one to the body here. Bring this one to the body here. There, and identify this level as a target for price. Price will be, if price gets rejected here, then we could say. So for 4 hours, on the 4 hours time frame, that's what we have. Jump down to 1 hour, and on 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. We had, do we have a break of structure here? No, this is the most recent break of structure that we had. On 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. We had this break of structure here. We had a break of structure here on 1 hour. We had that break of structure there. And then we had this resistance here. We had this 1 hour resistance up here. The 1 hour resistance is up there. And the 1 hour support still down here. So let's see what you have on 30 minutes. That's a 1 hour time frame. On 30 minutes, we have, do we have a break of structure here? No, we don't have a break of structure there. On 30 minutes, we still have, we have this as our, this is our resistance up here. Support down here. This is our support down here. So what you're going to do here, and please be careful here, don't, okay, so move this to the body there. If we get price breaking below this level here, yeah, this could be our potential sales. If we have price breaking below that level there, that could be our potential sales. This is the 8 a.m. candle. Yeah, if we have price breaking below this level here, this is a potential sales, and target these levels here. And if we have price breaking above 6 a.m. candle, if we have price breaking above this level here, we have a resistance up there. If we have price breaking above this level here, is a high risk buys. High risk buys above there. For the safe sell, for the safe buys, I don't want to see price break above here. This is where we get our safe buys from. Potential buys above here. Okay. For the potential sales, this is where we have our potential sales. So if we get the sales, if we get the sales, if we get that short position, we're gonna take the market from here and target this level here. That's gonna be our target. That's our sell side target. Stop loss just above there, or above, stop loss just above the candle that breaks below, or the structure that it forms as it breaks below our level here. Okay, I want you to get that very well. Stop loss above the candle that, above the wick of the candle that breaks below our level here, or above the structure that it forms as it breaks below our level here. That's where you place your stop loss. For the buys, we'll be looking to take a potential buys above this level. For the high risk, for those with the high risk appetite, this is a good area to trade. Could take your buys from here and target this level here. But for those with a conservative approach, wait for price to break above this here, this level here, then take the market up to a good target. Let's see the targets. But this actually looks like a good area to trade. You can see on 4 hours, if price breaks below this level here, we go heading down to these levels here. And if price breaks above this here, this doji here, we could be heading to these levels here, this level here. So Actually, today I might take this high risk buys here and push it all the way up here. Let's see if we get some good momentum. If we get some good bullish momentum, then this is a trade worth taking. A good break above here, push the market up to this level here. Okay, so that's what to watch out for today. Uh, Today is Friday, so keep your targets. Don't keep your targets realistic. Remember, it's the end of the week, so yeah. So that's a good area to trade. That's a good area to trade. So today, this is what I'll be watching. This is what I'll be watching today. Risk above. If we get a candle closing above this level here with some good bullish momentum, uh, enter on the retest here, take the market up to this level here. But watch how it reacts. Watch how the market reacts as it gets to these levels here. If you see rejection, if the market is rejected here, just bring your stop loss to break even. Okay. So that's the trade I'm watching today, and that's how I plan to trade gold today. So uh, just for information purposes, let me see what you have on. Yeah, so yeah, that's what you have on 15 minutes. That was the break of structure there. On 15 minutes, we had that. Yeah, we had that break of structure there on 15 minutes. So this is the high risk buys we could take here and push it all the way up here. But I would be waiting for a candle to close above this level here on 30 minutes. A 30 minutes candle to close above this level here before I can enter a buy. A 30 minutes candle to close below this level here before I can enter a sell. Okay, so that's my outlook for today. Happy hunting, guys. Manage your risk. Risk management is always key. Discipline, consistency, and risk management. That's how you last in this game. That's how you last longer in this game. So these are the levels I'm watching today. Happy hunting, guys. See you on Monday for a recap of this. I'm out. Ciao. Have a lovely weekend.